The Climate Countdown, 5 Urgent Steps to Prevent Catastrophe. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, the climate crisis. It's no secret that our planet is facing some serious challenges, but the good news is that there are urgent actions we can take to make a difference. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 key tips that can help us save our planet and create a more sustainable future. So, let's jump right in and discover how we can combat climate change together. Tips number 1: Transition to renewable energy. The widespread adoption of renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, is crucial to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. By transitioning away from fossil fuels and investing in renewable energy infrastructure, we can significantly decrease our reliance on carbon-intensive energy sources. Let's discuss in detail some additional tips for achieving this transition. 1. Scaling up solar power. Solar energy is one of the fastest-growing renewable energy sources. To promote its adoption, governments can provide incentives such as tax credits, feed-in tariffs, and net metering policies. Individuals and businesses can install solar panels on rooftops, while communities can develop solar farms to generate clean electricity. 2. Harnessing wind power. Wind energy is another abundant renewable resource. Governments can support wind power projects through favorable regulations and streamlined permitting processes. Offshore wind farms can be developed to harness strong and consistent winds near coastlines. Individuals can also consider installing small-scale wind turbines in suitable areas. 3. Expanding hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is generated by harnessing the energy from flowing or falling water. Governments can invest in the development of new hydroelectric projects and upgrade existing facilities to enhance their efficiency. However, it's important to consider the environmental impact of large-scale dams and prioritize low-impact run-of-river or small-scale hydro projects. 4. Encouraging geothermal energy. Geothermal energy utilizes heat from within the earth to generate electricity or heat buildings. Governments can support geothermal development by offering grants, tax incentives, and research funding. Individuals can explore geothermal heat pump systems for heating and cooling their homes. 5. Investing in energy storage. Energy storage technologies, such as batteries, are crucial for storing excess renewable energy and providing power during times of high demand or when the renewable energy source is not available. Governments can incentivize the deployment of energy storage systems and support research and development in this field. Transitioning to renewable energy is a complex process that requires comprehensive planning, investment, and policy support. However, it presents a tremendous opportunity to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality, create jobs in the renewable energy sector, and build a more sustainable and resilient future. Tips number 2: Implement sustainable transportation. The transportation sector is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Promoting sustainable transportation options, such as electric vehicles, improving public transportation systems, and investing in cycling and walking infrastructure, can help reduce emissions and promote cleaner air in cities. Let's discuss in detail some additional tips for implementing sustainable transportation. 1. Promote electric vehicles. EVs. Encouraging the adoption of electric vehicles is a crucial step towards sustainable transportation. Governments can offer incentives, such as tax breaks or subsidies, to make EVs more affordable for consumers. Additionally, expanding charging infrastructure and establishing partnerships with businesses to provide charging stations can alleviate range anxiety and increase EV adoption. 2. Improve public transportation systems. Enhancing public transportation networks is essential for reducing individual car usage and promoting sustainable travel options. Investing in the expansion and improvement of bus, tram, and rail systems can encourage people to choose public transport over private vehicles. This can be achieved by increasing the frequency of services, improving accessibility, and integrating various modes of transportation for seamless travel experiences. 3. Invest in cycling and walking infrastructure. Building and improving infrastructure for cyclists and pedestrians is crucial for creating a sustainable transportation ecosystem. Developing dedicated bicycle lanes, pedestrian-friendly sidewalks, and safe crossing points can encourage people to choose active modes of transportation for short trips. These measures not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions but also promote healthier lifestyles and improve overall air quality. 4. Implement carpooling and ride-sharing initiatives. Encouraging carpooling and ride-sharing can significantly reduce the number of vehicles on the road, leading to lower emissions and reduced traffic congestion. Governments and employers can incentivize carpooling through preferential parking, discounted tolls, or flexible work schedules. Furthermore, promoting ride-sharing services through user-friendly apps can provide convenient alternatives to private car usage. 5. Integrate transportation and land use planning. Coordinating transportation planning with land use planning is essential for creating sustainable communities. By designing compact, mixed-use developments that prioritize walking, cycling, and public transportation, people can have easy access to essential services, reducing the need for long commutes and unnecessary car usage. Planning cities with shorter travel distances between residential areas, workplaces, and amenities can contribute to reducing emissions and promoting sustainable transportation options. Implementing these sustainable transportation measures requires collaboration among governments, urban planners, businesses, and individuals. By collectively adopting these strategies, cities can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality, and create more livable and sustainable urban environments. Tips number 3. Enhance energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, industries, and appliances is an effective way to reduce energy consumption and lower emissions. This can be achieved through better insulation, energy-efficient lighting, and the use of advanced technologies that optimize energy usage. Let's discuss in detail some additional tips to enhance energy efficiency. 1. Improve insulation. Enhancing insulation is an effective way to reduce energy loss in buildings. Insulation helps to keep the indoor temperature stable, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Adding insulation to walls, roofs, and floors can significantly improve energy efficiency and reduce heating and cooling costs. Common insulation materials include fiberglass, cellulose, and spray foam. 2. Use energy-efficient lighting. Lighting accounts for a significant portion of energy consumption in both residential and commercial buildings. By switching to energy-efficient lighting options, such as light-emitting diodes, LEDs, you can reduce energy usage while maintaining optimal lighting levels. LED lights are more efficient, last longer, and emit less heat compared to traditional incandescent or fluorescent bulbs. 3. Optimize HVAC systems. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems are major consumers of energy. To enhance energy efficiency, consider upgrading to energy-efficient HVAC systems that have higher seasonal energy efficiency ratio (SEER) or energy efficiency ratio (ER) ratings. Regular maintenance, including cleaning or replacing filters, can also improve their performance. Additionally, using programmable thermostats allows for better control over temperature settings and can help reduce energy waste. 4. Install energy-efficient appliances. When purchasing new appliances, look for the Energy Star label. Energy Star certified appliances meet stringent energy efficiency criteria set by the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA). These appliances, such as refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers, use less energy without sacrificing performance. Upgrading to energy-efficient appliances can result in significant energy savings over their lifespan. 5. Implement smart technologies. Advanced technologies, such as smart thermostats, occupancy sensors, and energy management systems, can optimize energy usage in buildings. Smart thermostats can learn your preferences and adjust temperature settings accordingly, reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Occupancy sensors can automatically turn off lights or adjust HVAC settings when rooms are unoccupied. Energy management systems provide real-time data on energy usage, enabling you to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions to reduce energy waste. By implementing these tips, individuals, businesses, and industries can enhance energy efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and contribute to lowering emissions, making a significant impact in the fight against climate change. Tips number 4. Protect and restore ecosystems. Preserving and restoring natural ecosystems, including forests, wetlands, and coral reefs, is crucial for sequestering carbon dioxide and maintaining biodiversity. Protecting these habitats and implementing sustainable land use practices can help mitigate climate change and safeguard ecosystems and their valuable services. Let's discuss in detail some additional tips to protect and restore ecosystems. 1. Forest conservation and reforestation. Forests play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, making them essential in combating climate change. Protecting existing forests from deforestation and implementing sustainable forestry practices are crucial steps. Additionally, reforestation efforts can help restore degraded areas and increase carbon sequestration. Supporting initiatives that promote tree planting and restoration projects can make a significant impact. 2. Wetland restoration and conservation. Wetlands, such as marshes, swamps, and peatlands, are valuable ecosystems that store large amounts of carbon and provide habitat for diverse species. Protecting wetlands from degradation and restoring damaged wetland areas can enhance their carbon sequestration capacity. Conservation efforts should focus on preventing drainage, pollution, and encroachment on wetland habitats. 3. Coral reef protection and rehabilitation. Coral reefs are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, but they are highly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification. Protecting coral reefs from destructive fishing practices, pollution, and coastal development is crucial. Supporting initiatives that promote sustainable tourism and coral reef rehabilitation projects, such as coral propagation and restoration efforts, can aid in their preservation. 4. Sustainable land use and agriculture. Adopting sustainable land use practices can help protect ecosystems and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This includes promoting agroforestry, which combines trees and crops to restore biodiversity and improve soil health, and implementing sustainable farming practices that minimize chemical inputs and soil degradation. Reducing deforestation for agricultural expansion and supporting sustainable food production systems, such as organic farming and permaculture, are also essential. 5. Ecosystem-based adaptation. Ecosystem-based adaptation (EBA) involves using natural ecosystems to help communities adapt to the impacts of climate change. This approach includes activities such as restoring mangroves to act as coastal buffers against storms and sea level rise, or restoring degraded watersheds to improve water availability. By protecting and restoring ecosystems, we can enhance their resilience and provide valuable services that benefit both nature and people. Implementing these tips requires collaborative efforts from governments, organizations, and individuals. Supporting conservation initiatives, advocating for stronger environmental policies, and promoting sustainable practices in our daily lives can contribute to the protection and restoration of ecosystems, helping to mitigate climate change and safeguard biodiversity. Tips number 5. Shift to sustainable agriculture. The agricultural sector is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions through activities such as deforestation, methane emissions from livestock, and the use of synthetic fertilizers. Promoting sustainable farming practices, including organic farming, agroforestry, and regenerative agriculture, can help reduce emissions, enhance soil health, and promote sustainable food production. Let's discuss in detail some additional tips for sustainable agriculture. 1. Embrace organic farming. Organic farming practices prioritize the use of natural fertilizers, biological pest control methods, and crop rotation. By avoiding synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, organic farming reduces chemical pollution and minimizes soil degradation. This promotes healthier ecosystems and helps preserve biodiversity. 2. Implement agroforestry. Agroforestry involves integrating trees or shrubs into agricultural landscapes. This practice not only enhances biodiversity but also provides numerous benefits such as carbon sequestration, soil erosion control, and improved water management. Agroforestry systems can provide habitats for wildlife, increase crop resilience, and contribute to climate change mitigation. 3. Adopt regenerative agriculture. Regenerative agriculture goes beyond sustainable farming by focusing on rebuilding and restoring soil health. This approach involves practices like cover cropping, crop rotation, reduced tillage, and the use of compost. Regenerative agriculture enhances soil fertility, sequesters carbon, and improves water retention capacity, thereby supporting healthy ecosystems and mitigating climate change. 4. Preserve natural habitats. Protecting and preserving natural habitats within and around agricultural landscapes is crucial for ecosystem conservation. Maintaining hedgerows, wetlands, and forested areas can provide habitats for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife, promoting biodiversity and supporting ecological balance. 5. Promote sustainable water management. Agriculture is a water-intensive industry, and unsustainable water practices can lead to ecosystem degradation. Implementing efficient irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation or precision farming techniques, can reduce water usage. Additionally, adopting water conservation practices, such as rainwater harvesting and water recycling, can help protect aquatic ecosystems and ensure the availability of water resources for both agricultural and ecological needs. By implementing these tips, farmers and agricultural stakeholders can contribute to the protection and restoration of ecosystems. This not only helps mitigate climate change but also supports sustainable food production, preserves biodiversity, and ensures the long-term health of our planet. We hope these tips have inspired you to take action and make a difference in your own life. Let's join forces and work towards a sustainable and resilient planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and share it with others who might also be interested. Together, we can be the change our planet desperately needs. Thank you for watching, and until next time, let's keep fighting for our beautiful planet.